Hello students, hello everyone. Today we are going to start our first lesson named 3 questions. This lesson has been taken by English book Honeycomb. The lesson 3 question was written by Leo Tolstoy, who was a Russian writer and who was regarded as one of the greatest author of all time. He dies at 20th November 1910. He has written many short stories and novels too. Russian author Leo Tolstoy is considered a master of realistic fiction and one of the world's greatest novelists, especially known for Anna Karenina and War and Peace. So, those are his writings. Today, we are going to see his one of most famous lesson, and that is 3 questions. In this lesson, Leo mentioned a certain king who had 3 questions arose in his mind. Let's see how he get the answer of all 3 questions. Here, before you read, some questions are there. A king has 3 questions and he is seeking answers to them. What are that questions? Does the king get what he wants? Is the lesson. So let's start our first lesson, 3 questions. Look at that first paragraph. The thought came to a certain king that he would never fail if he knew 3 things. Here, author did not mention the name of king. He only told us that that was a certain king and he would never fail if he knew 3 things. These 3 things were: what is the right time to begin something, which people should he listen to, and what is the most important thing for him to do. Look at that 3 questions that arose in in king's mind. Look at that. What are the 3 questions are? What is the right time to begin something? What is the right time to begin something? Second one, which people should he listen to? Which people should he listen to? It means who is the most important person and what is the most important thing for him to do. And third question was, what is the most important thing him to do. So these 3 questions aroses in king's mind and he would feel that he never failed if he knew all the answers of these questions. Then see what happened. The king therefore sent messengers throughout his kingdom. He sent his messengers for what? For asking people the answer, or for announcing, or for announcing. For what? Promising a large sum of money to anyone who would answer this question. He sent his messenger to announce. If anybody knows the answer, he will give some reward, some sum of money, like that. Look at that next line. Many wise men came to the king, and by hearing that announcing, many wise clever. Many wise or clever men came to the king, but they all answered his questions differently. It means what? Answers are not similar. Dissimilar answers are there for their questions. In reply to first question, some said the king must prepare a timetable. The king's first question was, what is the right time to begin something? What is the right time to begin something? So some said that king must prepare timetable and then follow it strictly. Means king should follow its timetable strictly. Some said that. So only in this way they said, could he do everything at its proper time? It means what? It means some suggested that king should prepare their timetable and he must follow it strictly. Like that. Look at that next line. On others said that it was impossible to decide in advance the right time for doing something. Some of wise people said that it was impossible to decide in advance that right time for doing something. So the king should notice all that was going on and avoid foolish pleasure. King should notice all that things, what people are saying, what that foolish things are going on, like that, and always do whatever seemed necessary at that time. And he feels that do whatever necessary at that time. Yet others said that the king needed a council of wise men. Others said that the king needed a council of wise men who would help him act at the proper time. What is meant by council? What is meant by council? Council means, look at that word here, a group of people chosen to give advice or to make rules. It means it is a group of people and that chosen to give advice to the king, and they oftenly make rules for the whole states or whole kingdom. Okay, let's see. So many of wise men said that the king needed a council. Look at that next line. This was because one man would find it impossible to decide correctly. Why they suggested king to make the council? Because it was impossible to decide correctly by a single man. Single man never decide what is the proper thing to do at the right time, what is the right time to do the something, like that. Look at that next line. Without help from others, the right time for every action. It means what? That group of people, if work together, they will take a decision. Then only they will take the decision and give advice to the king. And therefore they suggested king to make a council. To make a council. But then others said that, look at that next para, but then others said that there were some things which could be urgent. It means what? Sometime there were no time to take decision. Some things has to be done very urgently. And therefore these things could not wait for the decision of the council. So these things could not wait for the decision of council. In order to decide the right time for doing something, it is necessary to look into the future. And therefore they suggested that if king want to do something on a right time, he must look at the future. Then, and only magician could do that. It means what? Magician maybe look into the future, and therefore the king would have to go to the magician. What an interesting story it was. And therefore some suggested that king must go to the magician because he look into the future, and therefore king will do right things on right time. Like that some people suggested to the king. In their answers to the second question, what is that second question that arises in the mind of king? Who is the most important person to be listened? Who is the important or most important person to be listened? In their answer to the second question, some said that the people most necessary to the king were his counselors. What is meant by counselor? Counselors means member of council. Okay, here. Others said that the priests. A few others choose the doctors, and yet others said that his soldiers were the most necessary person to whom king listened to. What is that second question? Once again we will repeat. Who is the most important person to be listened? So some suggested that his counselors are most important. Some suggest his priests most important. Some suggest doctor. Some suggest soldiers were most necessary and important person. Look at that next paragraph. To third question, some said science, and other choose fighting, and yet other religious worship. It means what? What is that third question? The third question was, what is the most important job to be done? What was the important job to be done? So some suggested that science is the most important. Then some suggest fighting, and some suggest religious worship is the job to be most important. Like that, all wise men answered to the king. But next, look at that. What happened? As the answers to his questions were so different, the king was not satisfied and gave no reward. As hearing that different answers of different questions, king became unsatisfied, and therefore he avoid to give reward to anybody. Instead of that, he decided to seek the advice of a certain hermit who was widely known for his wisdom. And instead of that, he decided to take advice of a certain hermit. Hermit means a person who lives alone and leads a simple life, who lives far away from the crowd, from the locality, and who was widely known for his kingdom. Today we will end our first session here. We will start our next part of the lesson in the next session. Thank you for hearing me. Thank you very much.